So the Bombay High Court has saved Neville D'Souza ground, and this is coming after Bombay High Court has put a stay on the conversion of Neville D'Souza ground into a convention centre. This is coming after a lot of back and forth between Mumbai Football Association and the BMC, who wanted to convert this ground into a convention centre. Now let's go in Bandra Reclamation to see the ground reality of the coaches and the players who play there. Neville D'Souza ground, inaugurated in 2018, this ground was named after the legendary Indian footballer Neville D'Souza, who was the first Asian to score a hat-trick at the Olympics. This ground is one of the best well-maintained grounds in Mumbai and has a FIFA standardized artificial pitch. This ground is the lifeline of grassroots football in the city, as this ground hosts nearly 400 clubs and 8,000 students who practice here daily. This ground also hosts tournaments conducted by Mumbai Football Association. The tournaments like Natkarni Cup and Mumbai Super League are hosted here, which makes nearly 900 matches per season from divisions like under 8 to elite football division in Mumbai. This ground has also hosted the top Indian talents like Jayesh Rane and Rahul Beke.
It is a dream to many budding football players who wants to make it a career and provide a support to their family as a professional football players. Also, it is the livelihood of thousands of coaches who are working day in day out, and now since we are standing in a moment where it is a question of our living.
And this ground is currently under the spotlight, as the BMC had approved the conversion of this ground to a convention centre, but now the High Court has put a stay on it.
So I think we should not have politics involved in this, and we should at least have a place in the west zone at least, if not Neville D'Souza. But I think saving Neville D'Souza would be the best option, because we already have an infrastructure over here. Destroying it, building another takes a lot of time and energy, and apart from that, the issue is that we'll have to build a new ground that would actually take years and years, and also the other grounds cost-wise are not very effective.
Now MFA has a big problem of finding a ground to make sure that under 8 till master division players play, and now they are finding solution in Ghansoli and further places far out of Mumbai. And this decision is coming just a few days after our Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India needs to focus on their grassroots for our aim of hosting 2036 Olympics.